the Fabuletta vacuum cleaner. Inside the box you have the instruction manual. All the pieces are packaged in there very nicely. It comes with, here are the package contents. Inside you have one long crevice, 2 filters, an adapter, a wall mount, dust brush, telescopic alloy tube, a power brush with LED lights, the cordless vacuum, and a cleaning tool. Okay, so I'm gonna build the vacuum. It looks pretty easy. Take the battery. Pop it in. Pop that in. Clicks right in. Seems to work pretty well. Now I'm gonna try this attachment. Pop it in, it's ready to go. So it's easy to pop off. Try a new attachment. That is the Fabuletta vacuum cleaner. It comes with 2 great attachments, and it's a really good machine.